Flyby accepted the mission to promote the launch of the latest Mission Impossible movie in the Emirates. In a city filled with ads, we had to break through the noise. We planned a citywide takeover, timed to perfection. At the peak of rush hour, every smart delivery box lit up with Mission Impossible. For one powerful moment, the entire city moved as one. A coordinated digital takeover, tech-led. Unmissable, impossible. A perfectly synchronized takeover, powered by Flyby's own tech. Maximum exposure, maximum impact. Mission accomplished with Flyby.